Welcome back to the 2-Minute Mechanic. We have built almost the entire car, but none of it matters without the only 4 points that actually touch the ground: the tires. Most people think tires are just rubber balloons filled with air, but they are actually some of the most highly engineered parts of your vehicle. If you looked inside a tire, you would see it isn't just rubber. It is a complex structure of steel belts and fabric cords woven together to hold the shape under massive pressure. These bones of the tire allow it to stay stable while supporting thousands of pounds of weight at highway speeds. The most important part of how a tire works is the tread, the specific pattern of grooves cut into the surface. On a perfectly dry road, smooth rubber actually grips best. But we have tread for one specific reason: rain. When the road is wet, those grooves act like high-speed water pumps. They channel the water out from under the tire and shoot it out the sides. Without these grooves, a layer of water would build up and lift your car off the ground, causing you to slide like a water ski. This is called hydroplaning, and it is why driving on bald tires with no tread is so dangerous. Here is the secret tip that makes you smarter than most car owners. Tires have an expiration date, just like a carton of milk. Even if the tire looks brand new and has never been driven on, the rubber naturally dries out and loses its grip after about 6 years. Look on the side of your tire for a small 4-digit number stamped in a little oval. For example, the number 1224 means the tire was made in the 12th week of the year 2024. If that number shows your tires are more than 6 years old, they are brittle and prone to blowing out, regardless of how much tread is left. Checking your tire age is the easiest way to prevent a high-speed disaster. Now that we are rolling safely, we need to make sure the engine doesn't melt under the pressure. Join me tomorrow for episode 7, where we go inside the radiator and the cooling system.